Welcome to Rise. Let's take a look at how the app works and explore some of the features designed to support your experience. You can start exploring just about everything from the homepage, but the navigation bar at the bottom lets you jump straight into meditations, playlists, SOS sessions, and exercises. The first thing you'll see on the homepage is the How Are You Feeling Right Now section, giving you a quick way to jump straight into content designed to support your current state of mind. As you scroll, you'll find a range of sections to help you explore, from SOS sessions and category shortcuts, to the latest uploads, guided programs, popular playlists, and exclusive videos. Just tap into anything that catches your attention and you'll be taken straight into that experience. You'll also see personalized areas, like your recent sessions, or any active program you're currently following, so you can pick up where you left off. Your dashboard is accessible via the app bar and has been designed to help you reflect on your journey and build consistency. One of the most important features is Minutes of Calm, which allows you to set yourself a simple weekly intention for the amount of time you'd like to dedicate to yourself. You can track your progress over the last 7 or 30 days and keep tabs on the number of meditations and exercises you've completed, alongside the amount of time you've spent listening to music and sound. So rather than focusing on perfection, it's here to help you stay present, consistent, and connected to your intention.